Welcome to the Weather Center. Throughout Monday, we had these two cold fronts controlling the weather across South Africa, driving icy cold air from the western sections into northeastern South Africa by the end of the afternoon. At the same time, we stayed with quite a bit of cloud over the western areas where we saw isolated rain showers in most areas, as well as light snowfalls over the highland areas of the Western Cape and the southern parts of the Northern Cape, as well as the western sections of the Eastern Cape. Now, on Tuesday, we start off the day with a little bit of drizzle along the southwest coastline. It will be icy cold across much of the interior, with severe frost also expected across much of the Northern Cape, the Northwest, Free State, Gauteng, the Mpumalanga Highveld, and the northern sections of the southern provinces. Then in the afternoon, it will be sunny but pretty chilly across much of South Africa. And over the eastern sections, this area of high pressure will be driving in quite a bit of cloud into eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo, where we could see light rain and drizzle in the evening along the Limpopo escarpment areas. We are expecting light winds for your Tuesday across much of the interior, moderate southwesterlies for the KZN coastal areas. Westerly airflow is forecast for Port Elizabeth and East London, and a northwesterly breeze is expected from the Cape Peninsula into the George area. Now, we are going to have a chilly start to the day on Tuesday for much of the Northern Cape, overnight temperatures dropping to way below freezing. In the afternoon, it will be sunny and cold for much of the province, Sutherland peaking at just around 6 degrees. We're also expecting a cold start to the day for much of the Western Cape. It will also be sunny and cold in the afternoon. Cape Town will become partly cloudy later, peaking at around 16 degrees. The Southern Cape areas are also going to see a chilly start, and it will also be cold in the afternoon for these parts of the country. Port Elizabeth peaking at just around 17 degrees. Overnight temperatures are also going to drop to below freezing for the northern areas of the Eastern Cape. In the afternoon, it's going to be sunny and cold for much of the province. We are also expecting clear skies across much of KwaZulu-Natal. It will be mild for the coastal areas, but pretty cold for much of the interior. A cold and frosty start to your Tuesday is forecast across the Mpumalanga Highveld. It will be partly cloudy for the eastern sections, where Mbombela should warm to around 16 degrees. Light rain can be expected late in the afternoon and towards the evening around Sanin and Thohoyandou, both peaking at 19 degrees. Polokwane gets away with partly cloudy skies with a high of 18. Sunny skies are expected across the northwest, where a cold morning is expected. It's also going to be cold in the afternoon across much of the province. Very cold for your Tuesday morning across the Free State, Bloemfontein, with a minimum of -7, -8 for the low temperature in Bethlehem. Gauteng will also have a very cold start to the day. Johannesburg starting at -3 and peaking at just 15 in the afternoon. On Wednesday, we are going to see clear skies across much of South Africa, with daytime temperatures warming a touch. It will be partly cloudy for the northeastern areas. Then on Thursday, we are going to see lots of sunshine across much of South Africa.